equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Dyson HS08 safely and effectively. First, unplug the hairdryer from the power source. Safety is paramount when performing any maintenance. Once unplugged, locate the screws on the handle of the dryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. You may notice dust and debris accumulated inside. This is normal, but it's essential to clean it out to maintain optimal performance. Use your soft brush to gently sweep away any dust. Be cautious not to damage any wires or components while doing this. Next, take your microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with water. Wipe down the internal surfaces, ensuring you remove any stubborn grime. Avoid using harsh chemicals, as they can damage the internal parts of your hairdryer. Once you've cleaned the interior, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the pieces carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. If you find that your Dyson HS08 is still not functioning as expected after cleaning, it may be time for a professional diagnosis. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Now, let's talk about the filter. The filter is crucial for maintaining airflow and preventing overheating. To access the filter, locate the removable cap at the back of the dryer. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Once removed, you can see the filter. Gently tap it to remove any loose dust, and if necessary, rinse it under lukewarm water. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching it. After cleaning the filter, reattach the cap by twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. This ensures that the filter is secure and ready for use. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is convenient, as it eliminates the need for calls or travel. You can have your hairdryer serviced without any hassle. Finally, it's a good idea to regularly check the cord for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any fraying or exposed wires, it's best to stop using the dryer immediately and seek professional help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, maintaining your Dyson HS08 hairdryer involves regular cleaning of the internal components and filter, as well as checking for any signs of damage. By following these steps, you can ensure your hairdryer remains in excellent working condition for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.